So the Bitcoin is trading above $7,500. Bulls are slowly overtaking this market, but is this in fact really true? We're going to see in this video, and we're going to go through some bullish and bearish things that could happen on the Bitcoin chart over here. I'm still not bullish yet. All of those who are following our channel knows why, and I'm not going to be bullish until I have been proved otherwise. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and stay until the end of this video, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm going to show you actually why I'm not still bullish and why this could be devastating for the Bitcoin price. But also we're going to go through bullish scenario, how Bitcoin could reach some higher prices. And now let's get started. So welcome back to another video, ladies and gentlemen. As we can see over here, Bitcoin has broken $7,500 and we are trading above it. I wanted to actually make video yesterday, but I waited price to lock above this level over here in order to be sure that we are trading actually above it. And as we can see, Bitcoin has found level of support above $7,400, which is very important. So after this major crash, we are standing on daily chart on Coinbase over here. Bitcoin managed to retrace all the way above $7,500 right now over here, and it's trading very important above 20 exponential moving average. If we bring another moving averages, we can see also that we are getting a resistance from $8,000. Beside $8,000, 200 and 100 daily exponential moving average are also matched up with this level over here. And also I wanted to show you, if we bring the Fibonacci retracement over here, we can see that we have also 0.618 level of resistance or support in this case over here. That is going to be resistance for the Bitcoin in the future, even if we make this Fibonacci retracement as a target area over here. The same thing is happening over here, which means that multiple level of resistances are gearing up on $8,000. So that's very important to understand here for the Bitcoin price when it starts retesting $8,000. Now we're going to cover bullish scenario over here first. So as we can see, for now everything is going very well, and we can see that the Bitcoin held above $7,500, and I hope it will stay that way. The reason why we have been stopped over here, I'm going to explain you later, but for now we need to see Bitcoin hit this high. It's very important to hit this high, and I'm going to show you on high time frame after this what can we find actually in that area. And after we break that wick there, we need to see Bitcoin retesting $8,000, and there is a big probability that we will have major resistance over there. Maybe Bitcoin could consolidate between and then break above it. So bulls needs to gather the strength over here and afterwards break on the way to the upside, but I don't think that's going to happen because that level is pretty strong as I shown you. So for now Bitcoin is still consolidate above $7,500, and for now let's see if we could stay above that. Now if we bring monthly chart, also the bullish scenario over here is that we are above 20 monthly exponential moving average, very important. And for now we have 6 more days to see Bitcoin close above this level. So we cannot go below $7,200, because if we do, that could be pretty bearish for the Bitcoin, at least for a short period of time or midterm, because this is a monthly chart and many traders are watching. And now I'm going to show you one also high time frame chart, which is very concerning for the Bitcoin. I'm not trading this because of it. If I'm going to trade Bitcoin, I'm always watching the weekly chart over here. So what Bitcoin did here on the weekly chart had a lot of volatility on the way to the upside. How do we know that? Is because of those wicks over here that we had on every single candle. The thing that is concerning me is all those candles over here are green, and we already have 6 weeks of green candles, which means that Bitcoin did not have any correction whatsoever, at least not for now. So I do expect Bitcoin to correct over here. Now The reason why I told you that this week over here that we had yesterday is important is because 20 weekly exponential moving average on weekly chart is standing there, and I do believe that this 20 exponential moving average on weekly chart is even more important than monthly, because many traders by my calculations are watching weekly chart more than monthly. And as we can see over here, we have been declined from here, which means that the bears said to the bulls, no, you are not entering the new bull trend. What that means actually, whenever the Bitcoin is above this 20 weekly exponential moving average, means that Bitcoin is in bull trend. This moving average over here is very important for the Bitcoin, and as we can see, we're not going to go through it just yet. The first reason why I'm still bearish is because we still did not have any correction whatsoever. The second one is going to be this 20 exponential moving average. As long as we are standing below this moving average, I cannot be bullish, and I don't want to trade this market right now. I do like to trade Ethereum because on some short moves of the Bitcoin, Ethereum can move really quickly, so that's actually very interesting and good to trade and earn some fine money, right? But for the Bitcoin, not just yet. Now, the third reason why I'm still bearish over here, and also I'm a pattern trader, and as we can see over here, we do have one bearish pattern onto the weekly chart on high time frame, right? So that means that those patterns are more likely to be played out because they are on high time frames. And as we can see, unfortunately, we are here into the rising wedge formation, and I mentioned in the previous videos that we went too parabolically over here too quickly without any correction. So I do expect Bitcoin to drop further more on the downside to lock some gains, let's say like that, and after that continue rally on the way to the upside, or at least try to build new level of supports before we crash on the downside. So I don't want to see Bitcoin just go through this and then drop further lower. So I do want to see correction at least a little bit before we see some prices. I do really like to see Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies which I invested in very green, but I don't want to see big and major crash after the big pump. For now, we are still bearish, and I do expect this pattern to play out, so be careful if you're trading this. If you're trading Bitcoin market, always watch weekly chart and be patient, because many traders are not patient when they are watching weekly chart, or they're just watching the low time frames and they are just impatient and try to close position very early, take losses very early, and what they actually don't see is actually happening on the weekly chart over here, and that is some patterns that needs more time to actually play out. So that's the reason why you need to be very cautious and very careful if you're trading this market. Always watch the high time frames. So to sum it up, we're still not bullish, but we do have some bullish momentum. If we get back on daily chart, we can see also this rising wedge formation that nobody is watching. So be careful when you're trading this, and if you are trading this. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. There is not much to talk about. I did told you what we need to see and what are we doing right now. For now, everything is going pretty well, but be caution. I repeat already for 5th time. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like this sort of a content, and if you using other social medias, follow us on Instagram, Twitter and TikTok, because I'm uploading news on pretty much daily basis, so I don't want you to miss any of those updates, and also some educational content about crypto, technical analysis and the Bitcoin. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, ladies and gentlemen. And as always, till the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.